Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new Harman Kardon Go Play portable speaker. It has Bluetooth connectivity, 8 hours of battery life, 100 watts of power when connected to DC power, and 50 watts of power connected on the battery. Bluetooth connectivity, and also wired connectivity via 3.5 millimeters jack. Okay, you can see here on the top, you can see the buttons. Okay, here are some indications for the Bluetooth connection. It's like the Bluetooth, and from the these actually are the buttons on top of the speaker itself. Okay, here first we find the AC adapter. This is the power cord. This is for you. Okay, and this is for UK and USA. It actually has a fuse in there. This is the adapter itself. For those who want to know, it has the output is 19 volts, 3.0 amps. Here is the paperwork. And the speaker itself is packed really tight. There are some humidity pads inside. Let's get to the speaker itself. Okay, so the speaker comes in a pretty handy, it's like a purse style. Here on top you have the play pause button, power button, Bluetooth connection, but I don't see any volume. Oh, the volumes are hidden actually in the rubber. Here is the minus, here is the plus, and there is some LEDs. Okay, actually all the speakers are up front. Here where is the Harman Kardon logo. Here is the woofer, and in pairs, they come in pairs of two. Down here is the woofer and the tweeter, same on this side. It has stereo sound on the speaker itself, and has a passive radiator up front. And here on the back, protected by rubber, you can find the micro USB. I think it's only for service. The power adapter, 3.5 millimeters jack, and the USB 2.2. As you can see, this is USB service, auxiliary and power. So you can actually use it as a power bank, this speaker. Let's power it on. As you can see, it started already in pairing mode, and the volume is set to, or this is the power indicator. So I grabbed my Note 8, it's still in pairing. Let's see if, as you can see, the Bluetooth is turned on. HK Go plus play has shown up. So right now it is paired. Let's get to a more comfortable position to view the speaker. So I switched to a more comfortable position. Let's see some music play. This is connected over Bluetooth. So I found some royalty-free music. This is 0. Let's get to the half. From what I'm getting, this is not high bitrate music. But it works pretty well. I will be comparing this speaker with my current Harman Kardon speaker, which is a Studio 4, and let's see if I can connect those two in pair stereo music. Connect plus. As a size comparison, compared to the Studio 4, this is a size comparison compared to the Harman Kardon Studio 4. Here is the back, which is the passive radiator. It also has up here a passive radiator, which Go and Play has only here up top. Scrolling through my Note 8 options, I find an interesting thing. You can use dual audio, so you can play a track through both of the speakers. When you get back, let's find the track. I can also switch the volume up and down. Okay. As you can see, nothing is connected to the back of the speaker. It's playing the same thing over the... It's only connected to the power, my Studio 4. Let's get them together. Okay. So I've been rattling around in the Harman Kardon app. Unfortunately, despite being connected to the Bluetooth, as you can see, it shows discovering and nothing happens. It also asks me if I know how to pair the Bluetooth. I will show that my both speakers are connected. Here they are connected. I found a workaround. The Android devices have dual audio, play sound from different, but you cannot media volume sync. So yeah, it's playing but only through the Android app. So basically the HK Connect app from Harman Kardon is obsolete. As you can see, it's still discovering and connecting. It also works very selectively. Here are the HK Connect, and I don't see any difference. Not at all. It's discovering. Okay, putting this aside, the both speakers sound good. I won't be putting any music because I'm recording from my Note 10 Plus, and I don't want to get into copyright infringements and any kind of that sort of problems. My new Bluetooth speaker is actually really good. I have omitted the fact that this is the Harman Kardon Go Plus Play 2, because the first had some little bit of a different grill. It's really heavy compared to the Studio 4. Studio 4 is a bit of on the lightweight, so it's I think not only the materials inside of it, but also the drives itself are better. The drive has two woofers, which is 90 millimeters, and two tweeters, which are 20 millimeters in diameter. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.